All right, it's Tuesday, July 2nd, just following up in the SPY. You can see after buying some puts here at this yellow line, we've continued lower, and now we're going lower here on a second bar to the downside. Took out this little first liquidity area right here. I just scaled out to set up kind of a no-risk scenario here. I bought the 550 puts at 406. I just scaled out of 475. So now I'm at no risk to see if this day turns into a failure. We're coming back into that first bar range. Like I said, I've been talking about for a while on this 2-up day on the daily chart. It's a long way to go to hit some targets up here. Again, the signal is the 3, 2 down, 2 up. That's normally a buy signal, but given the way price was just grinding up and having a lot of resistance areas up here, and also given the fact that this weekly chart, like I said, I still think there's potential to get that 2 down week out of this shooter bar from the last couple of weeks. Now we're red again below that purple line, which is the open of the month here, and open of the week. That's kind of our key reference point. Above that's green, below that's red. I just sense that this grinding action up here that couldn't really follow through on what should have been a very strong pattern was going to, take a turn lower here just to see what happens. And if we can get down through the midpoint of that first bar, we could really be failing on the day. And then that could set that, two down week here to the bottom of this range. So that's what we'll see if happens. I don't know for sure. We're not there yet. The structure on the day is still up. Maybe we just get an orderly pause here and take out the highs of the day, or test it one more time. If so, I'll do no worse than break even. If this becomes the high of the day, that's great. Even if it goes a little bit higher, I can still withstand that now that I've scaled out a little bit. So we're just going to watch what happens here. But, right now it's just kind of illogical taking out this first liquidity and on a bit of an uptrend on the day. But if we can build a little bit of red bars down here, then that's not going to be that orderly pullback to test those highs of the day, and that can mean we eventually fail by the end of the day. So no risk. I get to find out now, and that's kind of where things stand here, coming to the end of the morning here on Tuesday.